morning and welcome to Piece en Español. Thank you for coming to my family members play.
Let's play.
Yeah,
Ready?
let's play. It's a trivia quiz, sorry. It's a game. Okay, so we will start. The first question for you is, how do you call the son of your sister? Tick,
The
tick.
sun. Oh, the sun es mi sobrino.
Yeah, yeah. Muy bien. How do you call the wife of your brother? Tic tac, tic
Uh,
tac.
cuñada.
Muy bien, that's a proper one. How do you call your son?
Mi hijo.
Muy bien. How do you call your son's father?
Hmm. Uh, I used to call him esposo.
Exacto. Muy bien. How do you call the mother of your sister? Tic tac.
Yeah, mi tía.
No, because it's
Oh, yeah, not my primo. Right. Okay, mamá.
yeah, yeah,
Mother
yeah.
of
Yeah,
mother of
because that would
also
be
my sister.
the
Yeah.
mother of your
Oh,
cousin.
unless the mother of my sister is my half sister.
Oh,
The
but
mother.
we have a specific name for that.
Yeah. Okay, so
We,
it could be mama,
yeah,
or if we have a different mother, what is that called?
this is madrastra.
Madrasta. So that's stepmother.
Yeah,
Madrasta.
madrastra. You know,
Madrastra. Ooh, that's a
madras.
to say. Madrastra.
Yeah, I think it's like kind of rude. I don't like that
Oh,
word.
really?
I,
Oh,
it's kind of,
like
it's like the bad mother. You know, to me, the sound, it sounds kind of like a rude, like strong madrastra, you know?
like Cinderella's madrastra.
Yeah, like that.
Uh-huh.
But
Yeah.
then I don't like that one. Uh, Here again. How do you call the husband of your sister?
Cuñado.
Muy bien.
Cuñado.
Cuñado. Muy bien. How do you call your grandmother?
Mi abuela.
Muy bien. How do you call your sister?
Hermana.
Muy bien. How do you call your daughter, in case you have a daughter, of course?
Hija.
Muy bien. How do you call your cousin, that if it's a female?
Yeah, prima.
Muy bien. How do you call your nephew?
Sobrino.
Sobrino. Muy bien. How do you call your father?
Papá.
Muy bien. And how, oh, again? No, no, no. How do you say daughter in Spanish?
Hija.
Muy bien. How do you say niece in Spanish? In Spanish?
Sobrina.
Muy bien. How do you say uncle in Spanish?
Tío.
Muy bien. Wow, you won. Tu, tu, tu,
Okay.
tu. You passed. Now you can have a party and call them in Spanish. Thank you so much. And remember that you can have a free class with me in
Take
Spanish.
advantage. Get your free class.
Yay, enjoy it. Don't miss it.
Thank you.